Hello and welcome back. In this video, we'll take a look at how to install Kali Linux ISO file operating system in your virtual machine. So open up your favorite browser and just search for Kali Linux ISO download, or just search for download. You will be headed over to the website. Just click on the first link we got here and click on the installer images. It'll take you down, and then you have the 64-bit complete offline with offline installation with customization. I've already downloaded the ISO file. This Kali Linux version is 2023.1 changelog, and you have make sure you download the 64-bit right here. I've already downloaded it, so this it looks something like this. So I have the ISO file here. Make sure it's an ISO file, and it says AMD 64-bit installer 2023.1, the latest version. So before opening up the Kali Linux ISO file in the VirtualBox, I want you to take a look at the other virtualization software. So this is the VMware Workstation 17 player, it's similar to VirtualBox, but I prefer VirtualBox because it's free and open source. If you want to download this and use VMware, you can just click on download button and you could just use it. So if you want to use VMware, you can just go ahead and download it, or you can just stick on to the VirtualBox. So, and I wanted to explain one more thing about Parrot OS, which is similar to Kali Linux and is used by ethical hackers and network security specialists. This is also an operating system which will be embedded with all the tools possible, and you can just download this ISO image and open it in VirtualBox or VMware and start playing it. But for now, we'll not take a look at Parrot OS, and we'll just download the Linux. I've already downloaded it. So after you download the ISO file, just open it. Go ahead and open your VirtualBox. I'll just type VirtualBox, and I'll just click on run as administrator. Click on yes, and it just opens up the VirtualBox. Then click on new. It asks for a name, and click on Kali Linux. Not click on Kali Linux, just name it whatever you want to name it. And the folder, I'll just leave it as default C users and VirtualBox. And this the type is Linux. The version is Debian 64-bit. This one, because it's based on Debian. And just click on next. The base memory and the processors, I think 4 would be perfect. If you have 8 GB of RAM, you can give it 4, or however your preferred. Depends on your system's hardware. If you give it a bit more, it will be more helpful. So for the processors, I think I'll go for at least 4, and click on next. Now it's asking to create the storage file. I'll just give it around 30 is good. 30 is good enough, around 30. You can give it however you want to. Just click on next, and here are here's the summary of the operating system, which will look like this. We have 4 processors. The base memory is around 4 gigabytes. EFI enable false. Okay, Debian operating system. Just click on finish. This is what it looks like, and you can modify however you want to. You can just click on settings, and if you want to change anything, you can go ahead and change it. You can increase the processor to 2 CPUs or 3 based on your hardware. And for the video memory, you can increase it to I'll increase it about more, so that it runs a bit smooth, and good to go. And the most important is the ISO file. Click on storage, click on empty, and here you have to select the ISO file you downloaded. Choose a disk file. click on that, and my ISO file is installed in downloads. Just select the ISO file, click on open, and good to go. And click on OK. The size is 3.61 GB. Type image, the location, you can see that. Click on OK, and yeah, you can just start the operating system. Yeah, in the next video I'll start the operating system from the virtual box, and we'll power up Kali Linux.